Tacoma Cottage is a quaint little getaway at the edge of the sea. The east deck provides the perfect spot to view the sunrise. The bright kitchen features white cabinets, dine at the island kitchen or the chair nook. Juniper walls and wood flooring create an inviting atmosphere. There is plenty of room with dual sitting areas. Browse through the extensive DVD collection or start a game with the gang. Ample windows bring in plenty of light. The main living area features a convenient half bath. There is plenty of space for all at the table. Some may want to dine al fresco. The utility sink is a nice addition here. This is the spot for fabulous sunsets. Federal Preserve land behind the homes across the street ensure this breathtaking view will remain. This ample bedroom features a king-sized bed. It includes a private bath. Bedding offers flexible sleeping arrangements. Wood flooring runs through this level as well. Fall into bed at the end of a sun-drenched day. Seashells adorn the bath mirror. For a modest price, own a slice of heaven. Step out the door and onto the beach.